Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Tom from Tow Your Home Behind. Well, here I am down at Hitch RV in Berlin, New Jersey. I came down today to get the fifth wheel hitch installed in the bed of the truck, which is right over there. But unfortunately, they're telling me that I got to bring it back tomorrow because it has to be paired up with the RV, which is still down in Milford, Delaware. But you know, I guess it's all okay. Just you got to be patient about it. Not everything happens overnight, and that it's not the destination. It's all about the journey. So let's take a walk. Let's turn around and let's come over here and take a look at this hitch. Look at that bad boy. How about that? I don't really know how to use it or do anything with it. I think you crank it like this and beer comes out of it or something. Probably not. But anyway, it's time to jump back in the road, drive an hour back up the road to New Jersey. And then once again, I said you have to be patient for these things. But we'll be back tomorrow and we'll do the next installment. Okay? Thanks for tuning in, guys. We're getting that much closer. Tomorrow the RV will be here, and from there it really starts going pretty fast. Okay? Everybody be good.